Forget power-hungry AI and outdated PID controllers. What if you could perfectly control chaotic, real-world systems in microseconds, using nothing but a cheap microcontroller? Today we are exploring a revolutionary white box paradigm powered by Koopman Operator Theory. It's not guessing, it's guaranteed math, and it's about to change modern power grids and autonomous tech forever.
Modern engineering is facing a severe computational bottleneck. We are attempting to control zero-inertia power grids and autonomous UAVs operating in turbulent airspace, and our mathematical tools are struggling to keep pace with the physical chaos. The standard industry solution is PID control. PID, which stands for proportional integral derivative, is a feedback loop mechanism widely used in industrial automation. But PID is inherently reactionary. It requires the physical system to deviate from its target and generate an error before it can apply a correction. When applied to high-speed systems lacking mechanical inertia, this delay is dangerous. Waiting for an error causes the system to overcompensate, generating aggressive oscillations and overshoot that destabilize the entire framework. To handle this nonlinear complexity, Silicon Valley and global tech sectors transition to deep reinforcement learning. Deep RL is an artificial intelligence training method where algorithms learn optimal behaviors through extensive trial and error. Yet, this creates a significant operational flaw. These black box models demand millions of hours of training data and require industrial PCs or GPU clusters costing thousands of dollars to run. Crucially, they lack mathematical explainability, meaning they output probabilistic guesses without providing guaranteed safety bounds for the physical hardware. Control engineering is currently trapped. Engineers must choose between mathematically rigorous local controllers that are too slow and fast AI models that rely on opaque guesswork. There is a strictly deterministic alternative that discards AI probability in favor of precise mathematical calculation. It is known as the white box architecture. This framework accesses the geometric structure of a physical system directly. It achieves this by fusing Koopman operator theory with the four fundamental subspaces of linear algebra. By calculating the behavior of the system in advance rather than reacting to it, this method achieves consistent control. This approach effectively removes the requirement for heavy, expensive computing hardware. This architecture provides microsecond latency control over chaotic physics, and it processes the entire algorithm on a $5 microcontroller. To understand how this works, we must look at how we typically model reality. The behavior of dynamic systems is conventionally described using nonlinear differential equations within a finite state space. A state space is a mathematical model representing the physical parameters of a system as a set of variables. Because nonlinear equations are difficult to calculate in real time, engineers use a Jacobian matrix to create a flat tangent plane, approximating linear behavior locally. But when external disturbances push the physical system too far away, this linear estimation collapses. Outside of this narrow mathematical comfort zone, local linearization becomes useless. The controllers lose their grip on the hardware, and the system spirals into instability. In 1931, mathematician Bernard Koopman introduced a theorem that provides a path forward. He proved that any nonlinear dynamic system can be described as a strictly linear operator, provided it is evaluated in an infinite-dimensional space. This process is called lifting. Instead of tracking the limited variables in a finite state space, the math shifts the coordinates into an infinite observable space. The central insight of this theorem is that within this infinite-dimensional observable space, the evolution of the system moving forward in time is strictly linear. This diagram illustrates the transformation. On the left side, the tangled red lines represent the chaotic, nonlinear dynamics of a physical system. The operator K lifts these states out of chaos. They apply the governing rules of linear algebra to dictate the behavior of previously uncontrollable systems. There is a practical paradox here. No computer hardware can calculate an infinite-dimensional operator in real time. The solution is extended dynamic mode decomposition, or EDMD. EDMD is a numerical algorithm that processes discrete data snapshots of a system's past behavior to approximate the infinite operator into a finite matrix. This dataset is then refined using SVD truncation. SVD truncation is a linear algebra technique that isolates and removes low-importance structural noise, preserving only the primary dynamics. The resulting matrix block functions as a deterministic blueprint, containing the exact physical dynamics of the system in a format ready for control. Using the fundamental theorem of linear algebra, we dissect the matrix into 4 orthogonal subdimensions. The first is the column space, representing controllability. Control vectors designed to live strictly here drive the system perfectly to its target with 0 overshoot. This creates infinite stiffness. Knowing the geometric layout, the system mathematically calculates the exact PWM power cutoff before reaching the target. Next is the null space. By forcing structural disturbances into this subspace, any noise is crushed into absolute 0 and discarded. The remaining structure is governed by the row space, which isolates true observability and filters out false sensor data. Finally, the left null space enforces hard physical constraints, acting as a parity space that instantly detects anomalies or hardware failures. Together, these 4 subspaces form an impenetrable geometric filter. They strip away environmental chaos and noise, leaving only the perfectly obedient, mathematically verified behavior of the machine. Because the calculations of nonlinear lifting and subspace mapping are solved beforehand, the actual real-time execution complexity is minimized. The live runtime process is reduced to basic matrix multiplication. This table compares the resource demands of the 3 control paradigms. Standard PID runs cheaply, but suffers from reactionary, unstable response times. Deep RL improves control, but demands high hardware budgets and massive data requirements. The white box approach, utilizing the Koopman operator, yields physical stability with microsecond response times, and it achieves this at a hardware cost of approximately $5. This is hardware deletion, the elimination of expensive processing nodes by solving the underlying physics geometrically. The target hardware for this level of calculation is now standard, low-power microcontrollers, like the ESP32 or STM32. The future of control engineering doesn't belong to heavier compute and probability. It belongs to foundational geometry, making chaotic physical systems mathematically elegant by design.
By lifting chaotic physics into a clean, linear framework, we aren't just predicting how a system might react. We are mathematically calculating exactly what it will do. No costly hardware, no black box mysteries, just absolute precision. This is the paradigm shift autonomous tech has been waiting for. If you found this dive into Koopman Operator Theory as mind-blowing as I did, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments. What industry do you think needs this white box control the most? I'll see you in the next video.